Is it cost-effective for your company to allow free change request or even contract cancellation? Yes, it is, especially if you are using Scrum. In this video, I will show you how. Imagine company A needs a new software solution and signs a contract with company B, a software development firm that uses Scrum. The contract is worth $10 million for 24 months of work, broken down into 24 monthly sprints, each valued at approximately $420,000. Company B begins the project delivering a new increment of the software at the end of each sprint. During their monthly sprint reviews, the company demonstrates function software to stakeholders. So after 3 of these reviews, that's 3 months, company A has invested roughly $1.25 million. Company A reviews the software and finds that it meets its minimum requirements. Now, since the software now meets their core needs, they have decided to terminate the remaining contract. There is no requirement for further development at this time. According to the contract clause, they must pay 20% of the remaining contract value. And here's the calculation. Total contract value is $10 million. Value of work completed in 3 months, $1,250,000. Remaining contract value, $8,750,000. And 20% of the remaining value, $1,750,000. Thus, company A pays an additional $1,750,000, bringing their total expenditure to $3 million. Now, here are 5 reasons why this is a win-win situation. Number 1. Cost savings for company A. Instead of paying the full $10 million, company A only spent $3 million to get a functional software product that meets their needs. Number 2. Timely delivery. Company A receives a working product in just 3 months, much earlier than anticipated 24 months, allowing them to start using the software immediately. Number 3. Guaranteed compensation for company B. Company B is compensated fairly for their work, receiving payment for the completed sprints plus 20% of the remaining contract. This ensures they are rewarded for their flexibility and efficient delivery. Number 4. Agility and flexibility. Scrum's iterative approach enables regular reviews and adjustments. Company A could assess progress and make an informed decision based on actual software delivered, not just a plan. And number 5 is focused development. Scrum allows Company B to prioritize and focus on delivering the most critical features first, ensuring that even an early termination leaves Company A with a valuable and usable software. Now, you might be wondering how Scrum enables this process, right? Well, Scrum's framework, with its emphasis on regular increments and reviews, allows both parties to remain aligned and adaptable. The monthly sprints ensure continuous delivery of functional software, which can be evaluated and adapted based on the feedback. This transparency and flexibility help manage expectations and reduce risk, making it easier to handle changes in the project scope or priorities, as seen in this scenario. So by leveraging Scrum, Company B could demonstrate the value early, leading to a strategic decision by Company A that benefited both parties. So, unlock the full potential of Scrum for your business and boost your productivity. Don't wait. Click the link below to join the exclusive offer. Thank you for watching.